Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
Hoist.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Hoist is to raise something by means of ropes and pulleys. The synonyms are to uplift, to elevate, and to erect. The antonym is to lower.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Lift, pull up, elevate.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Drop, decrease, lessen.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the clumsy pirate fail at hoisting his sail? Because he got tangled up in too many arguments. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
He tugged at the rope to hoist the flag.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
Singable Words.